Hey everyone, Lensman Oz here and welcome to another first look game. This time it's Craftomation 101. Now this is developed and published by Luden.io. You may remember them from a couple of other games. I'm pretty sure I've had videos on both of these. One was While True Learn and the other was Learning Factory. Now they are education games based around programming. Pretty much all of the games so far that have a element of programming. So let's read the blurb as I always do on Steam. There is a demo available, which is pretty sure what this is. I'm pretty sure this is the demo. I may have a slightly higher version of the demo. I'm not 100% sure. Devs did reach out to me and throw a key my way, which I'm very thankful for. But you land on a frozen planet in a tiny rocket with a robot inside. Harvest and combine materials to discover new ones. Use visual programming to make the robot do the tiresome work for you. Slowly build a gang of self-sustaining robot workers and watch them terraform the planet. Now, I had a bit of a play with this last night. It is a puzzle game. It's kind of, you're combining these two materials to make a new one. There's plenty of games out there, Doodle God or whatever they were called. There's all those mobile games where you're combining things to unlock new things. But this is a nice little spin on it. Adding the little programmable bots in is a nice little touch. So let's just hit a new game. I don't mind if my existing is deleted. We have our little rocket landing on the planet. It's all frozen though. So there's not too much prompting in way of tutorial at the moment. Just this little box up here which tells you what you need to do. So it's telling us to mine 2 stone, and it's flashing a little icon here. 1, we've unlocked stone, and 2. So it now wants us to combine 2 stones to make a spark. So we just take the 2, done. Now unlocked spark. Wants us to mine some coal. Cool. And then it wants us to combine the spark with coal to make fire. Ooh, hello. Ooh. Right. Drag fire to the rocket to unfreeze it. Okay. I think I accidentally put the spark on last night. Maybe I was a little tired. Alright, so we've unlocked a bonfire, which is this little thing here. Bonfire is bricks and coal. You can pop this here, and it places a bonfire. Light a bonfire with fire to unfreeze a soil source. So this is soil. So what we need to do is we need to combine the sparks and flames. So we need to make a couple of these, get one of them, combine it with this, and then light the fire. Right, so now we've got the little droid is going, oh, I'm coming out. Get the head, got the body, combine the head and body to assemble a Craftomate. There we go. Alright, so the little bots need fuel, and we need to create a coal brick to do that. So that's just stone and a coal brick, and coal to make a coal brick. Drop that in there, he'll eat it up, and he's all good. Follow on-screen highlights to create your first program. So we're gonna, that's gone out now. We're gonna click little dude here, and we're gonna pop up the editor. Now it wants us to tell the little dude to find and pick some stone, and then do another find and pick, another stone, and then it wants us to combine them together. That should give us the spark, and then it wants us to find and pick some coal and combine the spark and the coal. And then we want to drop that here. So what we're doing is we're finding a stone, hitting it with another one, making a spark, combining it with coal to make a flame, and then we're dropping that flame in the fire pit. And then we want to do to idle. Returns to idle state. If there's a program upon idle, it will be executed. So that's the end. So once this is done, go back to the start. And we can hit play. and lower the editor out of the way. So old mate here is going to go and get 2 stone. He's going to make a spark. He's going to pick up some coal, make a flame, and pop it in the fireplace. Cool. So he will keep that burning for as long as his fuel lasts. We've got, 3,000 coal here and, bits and pieces. So what it wants now is us to make some clay bricks, and that's soil and stone. It's a clay brick. I'm just going to make a couple. To craft a bonfire, we take a piece of coal and mix it with a brick. Cool. Light this one to unfreeze the frozen rocket. So it now wants us to do the same deal. Again, what old mate's doing there. Alright. Have us Bob the Nervous. We've got Pig, the silly, Bob the Nervous. Alright, let's now cut up the rocket and turn it into a command center. Provide stone to the command center. So what we can do is we can now use Bob the Nervous here to bring stone to here. What I wouldn't mind doing, be nice if I could, let's just have a quick look here. I don't know if we've got a, we've got the ability to, let's Craftomation from the nearest storage system. I wasn't sure if we could make it so that we can do it twice, so it keeps the other one going. And we probably could. We could probably take this out and then do another find and pick. So again, do stone, combine, and then we want find and pick, coal, combine, and then we want it to drop to, click here, go there, and then go to idle. Cool. So what he's going to do now is he's going to keep both lit. Cool. Only thing is I need to make sure he got some fuel or he's going to run out. He's eating. Very nice. Make a little bit more. There we go, my dude. Cool. Alright, so let's take Bob the Nervous here and we'll get him to do 15 lots of picking up stone. So let's pop this out. We're going to go find a pick. We want some stone. We're going to drop to here. Now, I don't know whether you can do X number of times. I'm just going to do to idle at the moment. I don't know if I can do an... Maybe we can do on error. Stop. I don't know. Cool, let's just go play. The little dude, he's just going to go and get some stone and place it in there. We need 15, so that's going to take a moment. So old mate here is still doing its thing. Mining bits and pieces together. Keeping the bonfires burning. I hope he's doing both. Still doing both? Looks like it, everyone. Again, I could probably switch these out a little. And we could almost have this guy do all 4. We just need to tell him to go to each one. Now I'm hoping that there's some sort of iteration program where I can go, make a program and say, this is what I want. Normal programming languages. And do a loop of this to certain things. So there's picking of stone, for example. I want to make it so it only does it 15 times. So be it. Cool. He's about to run out of oomph. Let's give them fuel, a bit more. You need some fuel. Alright, follow the screen highlights to get your first upgrade. Alright, so we got upgrades here. We can turn on eat. Tell Craftomate to consume an object it's holding for recharging. Although Craftomates can digest almost anything, only certain elements are truly nutritious to them. Coal bricks are fine on early stages of a game, while batteries, though harder to craft, guarantee a full recharge. We're going to buy that for 1, and we are on our way. This little dude, I can pause him though. So he can just stop. Oh, we got another dude. Equip the Grim. Execute a command center goal. So now it wants us to deliver 5 sparks. So we can take this guy, can pop him up, and let's drag this out. And let's go find a pick. And we will do this, and we're going to make him pick up another flint. I'm going to have him combine it, and then we'll have him drop it. Sound like a plan? Go. Spark. Dropped. Pretty easy, right? So all I'm, obviously at the moment I'm manually creating this. I mean, we could also sit there and this guy's gonna error out. Is there a way, end of all this, that he can? There has to be a way of find and pick up what's its name and eat it. Does that make sense? Right, it wants us to unfreeze some iron. We got another bot. Can I pause you, please? Yeah, you're out of power. So these guys we probably need. I almost want to move this across one. Can I, oh, it's because it's burning, maybe. As it wants us to do this. This will go out to there. I need to put it like here. You know what? Let's just unfrost it myself. Got some iron. It wants us to create 2 of these. So it's fire and steel. So let's take a little Quip the Grim here. He is going to find and pick. So what do we need? We need steel. So steel, as you can see here, is iron and fire. So what he needs to do is make fire first. Goodness me, this is going to be a bit of an event. So what he needs to do is he needs to find stone, find a pick, stone, find a pick, coal, cool, find a pick, iron ore, combine. No. Oop. Combine. Cool. And then combine them together. And that will give steel. And then I'll just put it to idle at the moment. Let's see what happens when that happens. He's going to go and get flint, or stone, make spark. Flame. And now he's got a problem because these guys are out of flame. He is out of power. Take my stone. Right, so he should be good again. There might be a way of making it so that we don't like we don't need to go round and round. There might be a, if it's full, then don't. That makes sense. So now I so want to make this into like a thing where I can just go and then go from here back to there, but then at the second row go this way and I don't know what error it is. So it seems like it's going to take it anyway. Let's test something out here. Let's go on error. On error drop to here. I like the plan. Otherwise, go back and do it again. I just want to see if this works. I know I've just kind of made it all janky and stuff, but he's now going to find a pick. Now that already had... I think it'll take the flame anyway, right? 7 to burn. 1 to burn. Yeah, so there's no error here. That's fine. So just I guess let's go to the next one. Find a pick. Find a pick. Combined. Find a pick. Combine. Drop to there. And this will be stone, stone, coal. Cool. And then we go. Not that one. Go here to here, and then there to there. Cool. So he'll now hopefully feed the third one, and that should unlock the iron that's here. Fine, still move the connector where you want. Okay. So we're now making steel. And I didn't have him put the steel anywhere. Combine and then drop 2. Cool. Nice. Let's get rid of that. Just gonna be confused now. How can I jump you back through your... Reset the program. Yeah, throw everything on the ground, it'll be fine. You good? Play. I can take this and pop it in here. Let's make some more Yule. Come on. Take it. Have some fuel. I need to work out the right thing to be able to make fuel, and I think this is what this unlocks. It unlocks like a location, so I could probably get one making the coal briquette, and then tell them all to go and eat it, if that makes sense. We'll see how this works. I need to get probably one of these over here. I don't know. I don't want to move this further over. No, we'll just make another one. Which is what? This and this and... Don't eat it. Just what I wanted was for him to eat that. Makes perfect sense. Okay, so this guy's unlocked now. We got Ara the Goofy. It wants us to craft some steel plates. So let's stop you. Take this, and there's a storage. Oh, can you get out of my way? And let's take this one, and you know what? Here's a storage. So I'm actually going to take you, and you are going to be making me some fuel. So how do we make that stuff? It's literally just stone and coal brick onto here, right? If I take Tot the Strong, and you are going to find a pick, combine, drop 2. So you're going to get stone, coal, combine, and drop it to... Actually, if I get rid of this, can I get rid of you? Can I find a drop? And then to idle. If I say play on that. Stone. Coal. Okay, what would happen? The one that's doing the... This one. What if I change your recipe? Can I do find and drop? I don't know where that find and drop's ended up. There it is. Let's do this and then go from here to here. Idle can go like there. Idle. Will he just find somewhere to put it? Yeah, it's not exactly what I want. What if I take that out of there and put this in here? Will you find somewhere? No, you're just going to shrug your shoulder and go, I don't know where to put it. Okay, so... Alright. Okay, that's cool. Let's... Rid of that. Do you know how much of me wants to just clean this up, and I want it to go from here to another one. I want, you know, multiple rounds of the thing. You know what? At the end of this, you're going to find a pick. You're going to get one of these, and then you're going to eat it. We go here. I'm going to move to idle over here, and we're going to go like that. Cool. And then what I want to do, I'm going to play on that. Do you have a recipe? Do you have a... No. So you, Tot the Strong, not you. You. Cool. Can I reset your program? Can you execute? Can I copy Ara? Ara, can we change your drops? The old mate's doing this one, and this one. Can I change it so that your first drop is here? And then your second drop is there. And then your third drop is actually going to be there. Play. And then what I need is to make really quickly another one of these and pop it there. Now that can go in there. You can go in here. Okay, so we got things out. You're just chilling, because to make the steel plate stuff, we need 2 steel. So are you... What probably wouldn't hurt here is if you drop to this. And then you want to pick this, eat, and then go to idle. Cool. Play. Alright, nice. We're getting there, Wrapping my head around it. Things are expanding out. I didn't quite get that one, I didn't quite get these ones. Oh, go on. So they're not quite on top of what needs to be what yet, but they will get back to filling them up soon, I'm sure. Okay. So, then I can take... Oh, you're out of fuel? Why don't you eat one? Like, come on. Oh, did I not tell you to do that? Why aren't you eating too many? There's got to be a point where we get a... When your fuel is low, go here. Let's see. So Bob the Nervous, what are you doing? Okay, so let's clear your program. Let's do find and pick, And then we're going to do this. This we're going to combine. And then we're drop to there. To idle. Go. Cool. So we only needed... we need 7 of them. So he'll do that while the other guy's creating, and he'll have to just wait until it's done. Oh, slowly getting all the grass planting out here. We're going to get 2 more droids. Don't know if I need 2 more right now, but with batteries, we've got droids. There's lots of space to expand out to. All sorts of stuff. Ice. Storages. Oh, hello? Is this the bottom of the map? Must be. So you're just waiting. Bob the Nervous is just waiting. You are out of fuel again. They're full and they're staying full. Kind of just, you know what? Cool. Just. I want to pick. Eat. Cool. You'll just eat more now. Awesome. So we're getting there. We're getting there. So if you're into programming, go and check this out. Again, it's a very basic setup of programming. I'm hoping this is about as far as I got when I was playing around with it last night. It's quite a basic setup. It's straightforward. I'm hoping there's a lot more advanced things that come up. Someone's inactive. What's wrong, Bob? Oh, you're waiting for steel. Yeah. So I'm hoping there's some more relevant and more advanced programming aspects that we get into. But again, this is just a demo, so please check it out using my link down below. Big thanks to the devs for the key. Hope you guys all enjoyed it. Comments below. I'll see you in the next video. Bye everyone.